action.
Hi, this is Rob and Lisa's 2009 Chevy 3500 short bus with a 6-liter gas engine. We bought the bus for $2,500. It only needed $40 to get it inspected because it needed windshield wipers. And we're going to renovate it for less than $2,500. So when this bus is done and ready to travel, it'll have $5,000 or less in it, we're hoping. So I'm going to take you on a quick tour and tell you what we're going to do to it. First of all, obviously, we're going to sand and paint the entire exterior. We are going to crawl in underneath it, and we are going to sand, right? Yep, can't really see down there. We're going to, it's from upstate New York, so we've got to get rid of the rust. The frame's in good shape. We're going to rust coat it and rust proof it and everything underneath. And so then we're gonna also paint the roof and power wash it and everything else, but that's what it needs on the outside. So that's gonna be a lot of sanding and a lot of painting. And come on inside our bus. We are not replacing the door. It's gonna be a school bus feel. All right, now, one thing, you can't turn it on its side now, honey. You gotta keep it same way. So one thing that has to happen is we have 3 German Shepherds, and they need a place to run around and not be bumping into things. So even though this is the one piece of furniture that's staying, nothing is going to be built in this area right here, so the dogs can move around while we're on the road. Just a lot of cleaning. It's going to still look like a bus up here, and the windows are going to be left open so that you can see out them. We're not going to block up any of the windows. Back here, there's going to be a sofa that folds out into a queen-size bed so that the dogs can jump up on it while we're traveling, look out the windows. We can sit on it while we're parked, but it's going to fold out. There'll be an emergency loo in here somewhere. And in this area right here is going to be our kitchen with running water. We have an external power source that's going in. We're not tearing out the ceilings. We're not tearing out the floors. It's going to look like a bus, but it's going to have some real homey amenities. We're going to have music and the ability to charge our phones and bring in outside electricity and pump water and wash and everything else. So that's going to be our bus. We have a lot of projects that are going to happen, and we leave on a like 4,000 or 5,000 mile journey 3 months from tomorrow. So we have 3 months to make this happen. So I'll post other videos in the coming weeks. Thank you.